Getting cold. Finally.
Finally. But when winter comes, you will say, I hate this cold.
Ah, you're the one who complains about. I complain about hot weather.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Why doesn't like it's good?
It's wonderful.
Late na kami nagising. Buti na lang nagising ako nung bumaba si Kayo. Naitanong ko sa kanya kung anong oras na, alas 5 na pala, 5:20. So ayan, mag-alas 6 na. Malapit na. Pandication. Dala-dala namin kasi nahulog yan siya nung pumunta kami, nung kumuha ako. Yan yung pinaka-last na pieces. Nahulog pa siya. So, yeah,
It's
sayang.
for the fish.
Yeah, so bigay na lang namin sa isda. Ayan. Ang sarap maglakad ngayon kasi malamig. Sakto lang sa katawan. Pero maya-maya din kasi may araw na eh. Nag-sunrise na. So maya-maya din mainit na. So ayan. Masarap sa katawan kapag maglalakad ng ganito kalamig. Yung sobrang lamig. Sana makapaglakad-lakad pa rin kami, makapag-walking exercise kami.
The sunrise.
Yeah.
You show already.
That's the sunrise. No, 5:20, 5:30 siya nag-start mag-rise. Yan.
It's
beautiful. Ganda, di ba? So, ayan. Bukas, balik trabaho na kami. So, we're going back to work tomorrow night.
Tomorrow.
Because we have 2 days holiday. Monday ngayon. So, tomorrow, balik na kami sa trabaho. So, bali, yung day shift hanggang bukas yung Yasumi nila, yung holiday nila. So, Wednesday sila babalik kami naman. Tuesday ng gabi kasi yung Tuesday namin is Tuesday ng gabi. Tuesday namin is Tuesday ng hindi. Yung Wednesday namin is Tuesday ng gabi. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam, baka siguro 1 hour and 30 minutes or 1 hour lang kaming maglalakad ngayon. Mag-walking. Kasi late na kami nakalabas. Ayan. How was your barbecue yesterday?
Very nice. A lot of meat.
How were you there? I mean, how many were you?
Chicken.
How many are there?
How many?
Were there?
Don't know, about 10 people.
You were a lot pala. Salat pala. Including the kids.
Even a Jap went there later.
Did siya? Working there?
No,
Working.
he become friends with John. Guys. They invited him to. They just met him
There.
a few days ago.
Oh. They went there late na.
Yeah. First, he was in his salsa dancing.
I thought it was the Brazilian.
Brazilians don't do salsa dancing.
I see.
Dos, tres. Baila salsa y merengue, Maria. Un pasito para atrás.
What is that, Spanish?
It's Spanish. It's Ricky Martin. Ricky Martin. It's he's from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Not go give this to the fish there.
There's also fish here. No, they're not there in the pond. Not in the.
Not there. Why?
Because I think they have their own food.
So it just throw here.
No, when we see a fish, no, the river is clean. Kahapon kasi medyo siya, murky. Yeah. Medyo malubi kahapon kasi nga galing umulan. So ngayon malinis na siya. So malinis na. Kitang-kita na yung ilalim. Yeah. Just a little. There. Let's go to the other side. May isda doon. Ayan, it's big. Pretty big.
Didn't see.
Ay, yuko ah.
They just ignore. We should give to the fish in the pond.
Ang ganda na sun, oh. New day, new beginning. Tapos may palayan pa dito. Ang ganda. Doon na si Kayo, iniwan ako. Nag-toilet lang saglit si Kayo. Nakala ko may nagpapatugtog ng music. Nagzuzumba kasi meron din kasi doon mga matatanda nag-exercise. Meron pala nag-play ng violin. Violin ba yan? Karam ko maririnig nyo. Ito ko sa medyo malapit. Huminto na siya. Nasa maliit kasi siya ng cottage. Ayan. Puti ulit siya. Meron doon nag-exercise. Nag-put up din sila ng tent. Ang ganda. Yeah. Hindi ko na binidyohan yung lalaki nag-play. Bawal kasi dito sa Japan. Napansin ko mga ganitong bulaklak, tumutubo siya kapag autumn na. Ang ganda niya, no? Tumutubo siya kapag autumn na or malapit na mag-autumn. Ayan. Marami to sa mga ganito. Tumutubo lang siya sa mga sidewalk, ganyan, gilid ng palayan. Yan, maganda siya. Di ko alam kung ano yan. Anong bulak yan. Magluluto si Kayo ng feijão. How do you say that?
Feijão.
Feijão. Ready-made na siya na beans. Paborito niya kasi ito eh. Ayan, ito siya. Baked beans. Paborito niya yan. And nilagyan lang niya ng yung pata. Let me see.
Pata.
Ito. Yan. 2 pack nito.
This.
Yeah, I'll show you. Yan. Paborito niya kasi yan. So, plano ko sanang ilutuin yan sa munggo. Kaso, bumili siya ng beans. So, napunta kami ng Gyumon. So, ayan. Lutuin lang niya yan. Nilagay na niya lahat. Maybe you can put the tamanigi. Leftover tamanigi. That one, oh.
This?
Yeah.
So, maybe put a little more water.
I don't know you.
Yeah, just put here like this. Just a little.
Marami akong nakuhang okra. Ayan yung mga nakuha kong okra. Maganda talaga pag may sarili kang tanim. Ayan, marami na naman kaming okra.
Okra from the
So,
backyard.
From the backyard. Hindi namin kailangan bumili. Mahal kasi yan. Yan. Malaki na to, oh. Yung laki na. Yung iba, kinuha ko na kahit maliit pa kasi mukhang ano na siya, eh. Pero okay na yan. At least marami. So, yan.